Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Julia. Otherwise, welcome back to Makeup It Time with Julia. In today's video, I'm going to do a New Year's Eve look. I hope you're doing well, guys. I just want to say, although Christmas is gone past now, today is 27th, and for those who have known, check my recent video, I wish you guys Merry Christmas, and I'm still here now wishing you a very, very Merry Christmas. And I hope you spend your Christmas day with, the people you love, you got in touch with people you care for and stuff like that. Christmas is all about loving and giving. With Louis base, of course, not too much. Eyeliner here from Primark. You must have seen this on my video. I use this to do my under eye. So I'm just going to create a straight line here. Guys, I have a hooded eyes to kind of blend it. Okay, to blend this together, I'm gonna use the Jackie Aina palette. Take credit. Just diffusing this line with credit. In with ginger. I'll apply ginger up here. Go back in now with credit. I want credit to be intense on my outer V. Back in with ginger. Blend this area, my brow bone together. I am going to go in with Trust Issue. I'm going to use my finger to apply Trust Issue all over my lid. Look at that Trust Issue. She's one color on a palm. Once it gets to your skin, it changes to something else. That's what it's called, Trust Issue anyway. You can't trust her. Apply this liquid silver all over credits. Just applying liquid eyeshadow all over my eyelids. I'm gonna use lituation just to blend this area together. Now that is done, we'll go back in with credit. Ginger. Eyeliner on a bottom lash. Okay, I'll use this precise brush. I'm gonna diffuse this with Credit, this black eyeliner. Just gonna dab at first. And I'll use the other side of the brush. Instead of ginger, I'm gonna go in with edges. Then I'll join them up at the very end here. There you go. Feel like I need a bit of ginger now that I've done it. Yeah, I'll apply a bit of ginger on my brow bone. Collection. This is from Boots. It's called Dazzle Gel Liner. So I'm just gonna try and for just a line. You guys know by now I don't do without my eyeliner. It's not necessary. I can just apply ginger up here, but I'll just do eyeliner. I'm using Maybelline eyeliner. Is to use my L'Oreal mascara. Soleil. I'm just gonna use Soleil for my inner corner. We don't want too much color going on, you know. So Soleil just fits perfectly to this look, I guess. So the next step now is lashes. The one I have here is MIT2. It's my New Year resolution. Not to swear and not to waste food. Well, yeah. Not to waste food, I'll try and keep to that. But not to swear, I don't know yet. But hopefully I'll be able to keep to that as well. Because swearing is not cute, it's not ladylike. Just place it right here. Hold it down. That's one done. Then you come to this side. You hold there. Okay guys, I will just go and repeat this process off camera or for Instagram. Then when I come back, I'll show you the final results. Okay guys, this is now the final look. I have put some lashes on. The one I use MIT2 lash from our collection. And yeah, this is now my New Year's Eve look. And I hope this look inspire you, and I hope you learn something from it. And also don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Share my video to the people you love. And if you are going out on New Year's Eve, guys, please stay safe and drink for me, because I won't be going out. What else, guys? I wish you all New Year. I wish you all Happy New Year in advance, and I wish you all the best in 2020. Good luck, everyone, and I hope your dreams come true in 2020. Stay blessed wherever you are. Just be nice to each other. Thank my recent subscribers, and I want to thank my subscriber, the people that have been with me right from day one. You guys has not switched on me, even how slow my channel is growing, but you guys stick with me. I want to thank you guys, and I hope to be better. I hope to grow. I hope to learn more. And yes, I really appreciate you guys. I said it on my previous video, I'm saying it now. You guys have no idea how much this means to me, but I appreciate you guys. I hope for the best, and I hope for the best for you guys. I wish you a very, very good new year in advance, a very happy new year, a successful 2020. I pray that we all will find success in 2020. Doesn't have to be money, could be health, could be anything. That's my prayer. Good health, prosperity, and everything in between. Wish you a very, very happy new year. May your dreams come true in 2020. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on my very next video. Bye bye guys.